Yeah, let's see about the first question. So here what they given throughout the path. When P equal to Q is there, what you can do? Among P and Q, you take only one among that. That's sufficient. As P and Q both are equal, you take one among that. That is sufficient. Okay. Now they are asking conclusion. You see about the given conclusions only. Don't try to create your conclusion between N and P and all. The question conclusion is given between N and R. Look into that. Is it correct or not? You have to say that's only your job. Don't create your own conclusions. Other one. I know N greater than or equal to P, either greater than or equal to P is correct, but that's not there in the conclusions, right? Your job just focus between N and R. Is there any common symbol throughout the path? Greater. So N greater than R. So first one is definitely true. Conclusion one is definitely true. Now N greater than R, what is the reverse of that? If you write it back to front. R less than N. R equal to N is wrong. So your answer should be only conclusion 1 follows. They'll give the options below, 5 options. Only 1 follows, only 2 follows, either 1 or 2, neither 1 or 2. Neither 1 or 2 means both wrong. Both 1 and 2 follows like that. Here only first one true. You can draw the diagram also, as already we demonstrated how to draw the diagram. You can try in that fashion as well. But what are the diagram you try with these variables? 100% sure between N and R you will get relation N is greater than R only. Right. Next one. See the next question. Now, one important task if you want to apply that shortcut method 2. Method 1 is drawing the diagrams, but when you have more variables, drawing diagram is not suggested. The other method is you need to bring it into single equation. Here A is greater than B is greater than C, and you have D greater than E greater than F. You need to club these two. D less than C can be written as C less than D. Here between C and D I can put the symbol combine into one equation. If you want to apply method 2, shortcut 1, common symbol 1, you need to know method 2 for that combining into single equation. First one is diagram. When you have more variables like this, drawing the diagram is not that much easy, right? Now, first conclusions between what? Variables is what? E and C or C and E. Between C and E, is there any common symbol? Means there is no definite relation between C and D, eliminated. Next, between B and F, entire path. Don't say greater in the first one, last one greater. No. Entire path, is there any common symbol? No. A lot of people put like this, sir. Here greater, last one greater. So put B greater than F. No. Entire path. I'm giving clearly that entire path, we need a common symbol. There is no common symbol between B to F in the entire path. So second one also wrong. Then your answer should be neither one nor two. In general, it will be option D, neither one nor two. Neither one nor two follows. See, only one follows, only two follows, both follows, neither one nor two is easy. Only struggle many people will face is either or case. A lot of people are leaving those questions, either or and or else attempting the wrong options and all. I'll just try to suggest you at the end of all these questions, you will definitely get clarity about either or. See about the next one. And first job, what we need to do? Combine into one statement, single statement. H is greater than I, greater than Z, Z is greater than K. M less than K can be written as? So K greater than M. L greater than M is? M less than L. Now, okay, successfully we bring it to single equation. The first conclusion between which variables? Throughout the path I to M, is there any common symbol? Greater than. So, first conclusion correct. Definitely true. There is no second thought. What about next one, sir? Between what variables? L and H or H and L throughout the path. Is there any common symbol? No. So there is no definite relation between H and L. No definite relation means it may be H equal to L, H less than L, H greater than L. All three will come. We cannot say here. I am saying definitely I greater than M, but I cannot decide for H and L. H may be less than L, equal to L, greater than L. All those three things will come. That's why into mark means no definite relation. Here, what should be your answer? Only one follows. Only one follows. Clear? Check once. I greater than M. Okay. Simple. First, bring it to single statement. I am making the things very simplified for you. Previously, they are giving a single statement only. As people are doing the question hardly in 20 to 30 seconds, they are splitting the statements and you need to combine. And still, people are doing fast. That's why they are bringing that coded inequalities. A plus B, A is less than B. So then you have time waste. Where plus is that you have to identify replace less than. They'll put A hash B is A greater than B. Wherever hash is there, replacing with greater, there is some time waste. Okay, their task to make sure you people take more time for the each question and you people get tensed and you people not attend the other question successfully. You are out of the exam, they are successfully done their job. So competitive exams always keep in mind, they focus more and more to eliminate you people. In university exams or some exams, people are intended towards making sure these people, if they got better marks also, pushing and let them pass. Okay, but always not encourage that. Whether you people are getting good marks or better than that, fail is okay. Not in the border. Just pass is waste. Instead of that, fail in the subject. Next time, give a better attempt. Push to the next level. It will never we can increase our percentage, right? When you get border marks, it's waste. Now see about this one. Here everything is in one equation, right? No issues. Now first one is between what? F1, B. I already said when equal is there, ignore it. Is A is there in the conclusions anywhere? A? E? Not there. So I can remove A. I can remove E. As equal is there, one among that is okay. As equal is there, I said take one among that variables only. I can take the question like B greater than C less than D less than F. Among D and E, I am taking D only. Why only D is in option conclusions? They're talking about D. Among A and B, why only B I taken is they're not discussed about A. Only B is in conclusion. Now, B to D, is there any common symbol? Is there any? No. So, out. Between B and F, through the path? No. Out. A and B both are equal. Use one variable only among that. Whether to use A or B, you see the conclusion B is there. So ignore A. Among D and E, you can use only one variable. Sometimes you can use D, sometimes you can use E. But here in conclusions, E is not at all there. I am not using it. So answer here is neither one nor two follows. Done with this question. See this next one. S greater than Q means nothing but Q less than S. Just I am helping you here with one small change in the conclusion. S greater than Q, I am writing as Q less than S. Now the conclusion is both conclusions are related to Q1 S. So here if you observe P less than Q, now you have to take some steps to make into single equation. What is this? T is either greater than or equal to Q. Now we can modify as Q is either less than or equal to T. Then T equal to R. R is either less than or equal to S. Somehow it's your job to bring it into single equation. I brought, okay, there is a possibility means I'll bring it to single equation, or else at least two separate equations also fine. Some questions it may demand two separate equations as well. Okay, now you have to discuss only between Q and S. As T equal to R, this is the only discussion. In place of R, I can put T only. Now, what is the symbol common? Q is either less than or equal to S. Now, what should be your answer? Both 1 and 2 follows. Okay. Is there any other answer? Sir, either 1 or 2. Okay. Any other answer? Both is blunder mistake. I said already, Q and S only variable, right? If both true means you are saying always Q is less than S, and you are saying always Q equal to S. How both true at a time? You read it properly, right? At a time Q is shorter than S, and at a time Q equal to S, both not possible. Both follows no. Either. How to read this? How to read this? Either Q less than S or Q equal to S. So answer is either 1 or 2. This is why I said in the introduction, reading that symbol in either or using that is important. The symbol how to read is either less than or equal. Either or. Here either Q less than S or Q equal to S. The same question, one small change if I do, and my intention is just to inject some concept to your mind. Are you clear so far? Why you got either or? Now I just want to put you people in a confusion state. Let's say, what is the first conclusion here? Q less than S. Second conclusion, Q equal to S, right? Now if suppose, first conclusion Q less than S is given, second conclusion is S equal to T, let's say. Now what should be your answer? Second conclusion is S equal to T if they given. First one Q less than S, second one has S equal to T. Or okay, between P equal to S, let it be okay. Fine, I am giving first conclusion Q less than S, next one is P equal to S. First one Q less than S, second one is P equal to S. Then this is the problem, only one follows is wrong, neither not. Because if you say only one follows, you are saying that only less than is possible. You are saying equal is not possible. Here what we got? Q is either there is a chance you will get less than, you have a chance to get equal. If only one symbol is there, it is wrong. Both symbols available, then only either are. If only one among that possible, it's wrong only. Means, let's say if you're saying Q less than S is correct, means you are claiming that Q equal to S is not possible. Q less than S is correct means what? Always Q less than S only. But we got Q equal to S also possibility. Means second one you are removing. That's what I just want to make you people to be in a confusion state now. If there is a clarity now, both symbols are there, go with either or. Because either less than or equal. If only one symbol is there among that, it's wrong only. Suppose you are saying Q equal to S is correct, means you are claiming that Q less than S is wrong. Indirectly you are claiming that. Because Q equal to S is always true means remaining possibilities is not there. But here we got the other possibility Q less than S also. So just at least get the clarity. Right? And in fact, both follows also wrong. That's also wrong perception. So this is the case. Either or understanding is very typical. And many people will skip that either or. Okay, but one more hint I just want to suggest to people. You have either or possibility, general 99% of the cases, you have same variable in the conclusions. Here, what are the variables in first conclusion? Variables are Q and S. Second conclusion, If it is like that, then there is a chance to get either or. Don't say whenever QS is there, either or answer, don't fix like that. There is a chance. Okay, you just look into that things once and twice. There is a chance. Here, 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 what are the conclusions? YV, YV, and don't say either one or two directly. Okay, here Y greater than Z, Z equal to, in place of Z I can keep V. So only two follows. That's what your friends are conveying. So only two follows. Just wantedly, I kept next question immediately. Some people are taking wrong perception that so both variables same in both conclusions means either or is the answer fixing. Don't fix like that. Your answer, your statement should demand that. Here I got y greater than z, z equal to v. Z equal to v means wherever z will come, we need to replace with v. So y greater than v is what you got the answer. Close, that's it. Y equal to v is not possible, y greater than v. Only two follows. To avoid that wrong perception, when our variables are same, always either or no. Chance is there. Okay, your statement should decide that. There is a chance. The statement should decide that. Now, what about this one? Common symbol is this. So we can read B is either greater than you or equal to you. So either one or two follows. Here also either or you got, and you observe the conclusions. Both conclusions variables are same. 95 to 99%. Okay, whenever either or is there, they are maintaining same variables only. There are one or two very minute exceptions. Okay, so but majority of the cases, same variables are there for either. But whenever same variable says that, don't fix answer is either. Your statement should demand that. Here it is demanding. There is a common symbol. You can just go ahead with that. Next one. What's the answer you have to get? Only two follows. Okay. Among Q and R, you can keep only one variable. I'm keeping Q because Q is there in conclusions. Right? Now, throughout the path from P to T, what is there? Greater, P greater than T, but here they given equal also possible, but we got only greater. First one, false. Second one, between Q and T, Q greater than T we got, means T less than Q. Only two follows. Among Q and R, one variable only you pick. That's nothing but Q. Next one, neither nor. Okay. Between O and M, there is no common symbol. So eliminated. P and N greater than P or P less than N, but this is not the case. So neither one nor two follows. Same basic. Some people are trying to bahat some rules in textbooks are greater than, less than. This is the answer. Greater, greater. There is no use. Then you don't understand either. If you try to bahat. If you not understand this shortcut, at least draw the diagram. That will help you out. But diagram and more variables is a bit difficult. That's why I'm giving this shortcut path. Any doubt at any point of time, please ask and get it clarified. Only confusion thing will come in the questions when you have either or. And what about this one? Both 1 and 2 among C and D. Okay, both. So I can take where C. I'll just put in place of D. I'll put C. C and D both are equal, right? In conclusion, also instead of D, I'm putting C. I use only C here. I use only C. Instead of D, I'll use only C. In conclusion, also I'm changing that. Now A greater than C means C less than A. Okay, that's correct. B is either greater than or equal to C. If you reverse it, C is either less than or equal to B. That's also correct only. So both 1 and 2 follows. Only 1 follows, only 2 follows, either 1 or 2, neither 1 or 2, both 1 and 2 follows. In general, these are the 5 options everybody will get in this topic. Here, I think it's all in alignment only. Between K to T, no. Between L and H. So among J and K, I'll put only K. Between L and H also no. Neither 1 or 2. So what about this one now? More examples, practicing, you'll get more knowledge. Among B and C, I can use only one variable. Among C and D, we can use one variable. Fine, so you can say that, okay, A is either less than or equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to E. Obviously, A is either less than or equal to E, means E is either greater than or equal to A. First conclusion definitely true. What about the other one is A is either less than or equal to B, B equal to C, D greater than C can be written as C less than D. Here common symbol is less than, so A less than D also correct. See, this is the question one example where I'm not bringing into one equation. I have a possibility to get two separate equations. We are unable to bring into one equation. If we can work on, we can bring actually, because D greater than E means E less than D. Yeah. Here I can bring it into one equation also. B equal to C, C equal to E. D greater than C means C less than D only or E less than D only. I can put it into one equation. So throughout the path, yeah, A less than D, correct. A is either less than or equal to D, correct. Both follows. Right.